So guys, I came home today. I ordered something on Forever 21 for Cyber Monday. So I will do a video on this, so stay tuned.
You better watch out, you better not cry, you better not pout, I'm telling you why. Santa Claus is coming to town.
Hey guys, welcome to Vlogmas Day 5. So in today's video, I will do a unboxing slash little haul. It's just a little mini haul that I will show you guys. So today's haul is going to be from Forever 21. What you guys going to see on today's video, it is from Forever 21. So over a week ago, it was Black Friday, if you guys know. So a couple days later, it was Cyber Monday, which is like a Black Friday, but on Monday. So on Monday, me and my brother went online shopping for our team. So he already got his stuff, but I have not seen my stuff yet. So I'm gonna do like a little reaction to what my package looks like. I have my package down here, so I'm gonna bring it up here and then give you guys my reaction when I see my stuff for the first time. I have not seen any of it, but I do know what I got, but I haven't seen it in person. I only bought 2 items from Forever 21, so right now I'm gonna do the reaction. So give the video a thumb up if you guys are excited to see what I got for Cyber Monday. If you guys want to see what I got from Forever 21 for Cyber Monday, just keep on watching. So I have a little table right here, but you can't see it on the camera. So I have the box right here next to me. I'm gonna put it on top of here, which I have a little table under the screen. I don't know if you guys will be able to see my reaction, but I might have to like flip it over. So now I'm gonna do the unboxing, so hope you guys enjoyed it, and let's get right into it. I'm gonna save the box. Maybe I can use it for something, so I might just save it for later. So that was my reaction. Let me know what you guys think of my item. I will be doing like a rundown once again, showing you guys each item, so I can show you how I like it, how I like, the quality and the feel of it. But if you guys have shop for Black Friday or Cyber Monday, comment down below what you guys bought. I am curious to see what you guys shop for. If you guys have done Christmas shopping for that day, let me know on the comments down below. So the item I bought was a sweater with a zipper. So the other item was a jogger sweat. So I said, kind of like mad. So I did like a whole suit. So I dyed them in red because I like red. If you guys don't know, that is my favorite color. And also I have not on a red like sweatpants or jogger. So I was looking for one and I finally found one, and I will show you guys both items and show you guys a little bit about the quality, the feel of it, and the material. So the first thing is the sweater. If you guys can see right here, it has this white string. This sweater is kind of thick, but not really. But I think it will keep me warm. I've been wanting to get a new sweater, but I just couldn't find the one I wanted or what type of style. So I found this one and I really like it. Comment down below what you guys think of my sweater. So the next item will be my jogger. I kind of went for the same color, so I could have a matching set of sweater with a jogger. So I went with the same color just because it's my favorite color and I wanted to match my sweater. So this is my jogger. It has a pocket on both sides. And then it has the string. This is different from the one with the sweater. And then if you guys notice on the side, it has this white, line. It goes all the way to the bottom. I really like this material. It's very it's kind of thin, but I don't know. I'm curious if it's gonna keep me warm, but it also stretchy, so it will, fit me to my body type. So yeah. Comment down below what you guys think of my jogger, and let me know if you guys like any of both of my items. Comment down below, give me your feedback. So this is my unboxing / mini haul from Forever 21. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, please give this video a big thumb up. It will help me a lot. And also don't forget to comment down below what you guys think of my haul. So this was just, a little short video that real fast. And if you guys shop on Black Friday or Cyber Monday, let me know what you guys shop. I will be reading your comments down below. This is the end of Vlogmas Day 5, and I will see you guys on my next one.